All right, flutes, this is time for Hot Cross Buns. So I'm very excited. This is one of the best songs we play in beginning band. Now, a lot of you guys played Hot Cross Buns on the recorder last year, but you played it with a different rhythm. So we're going to be very careful that you're not playing it by your memory, but that you're reading the notes that are on the page. Now, we clapped half notes a long time ago. Okay? Now, half note is one sound that stretches across two beats. So when we count it, we count 1, 2. The next one we're going to count 3, 4. New measure, new numbers. 1, 2. This little hat here is a half rest. That's 2 silent beats. So we're going to put it in parentheses. 3, 4. Now, I'm going to leave this next one blank because these two measures, I hope you notice, are exactly the same as these two measures. Finding patterns in music is important. Now, these are all of our quarter notes. One sound, one beat. So we just count them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and same thing here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if you notice here, it's the same thing as measure 1 and measure 2. Now, how do we clap them? Well, we use a metronome. Very, very important that we use the metronome. I'm going to go turn mine on. All right, now it's time to clap and count. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and rest, rest. Now, how does that equal to what we're doing on our instrument? Well, just like I clapped and stretched on my hands, I'm going to do the same thing with my air. I'm going to say 2 at the beginning of each note. Like this. 1, 2, ready, 2. Rest. Rest, rest. Now, if you're still a little unsure, you can practice with your head joint. 1, 2, ready. Rest, rest. Rest. I almost ran out of breath there. Make sure you're taking a big belly breath. Breathe all the way down deep. Now, time to do our show and tell. You're going to show me your fingers while you tell me your notes. All right, time to show and tell. All right, from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. D, C, B flat, rest, rest. D, C, B flat, rest, rest. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. C, 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 C. D, C, B flat, rest, rest. Okay. Now let's try playing it. Find your sweet spot. Okay. I'm going to stand. It's hard to stand where I don't block the music, but you can still see my fingers. I guess I'll start here, and I'll switch sides when we get to the end. 1 and 2 and set and... And there's no repeat sign. So we're done the first time. All right, practice this a whole bunch of times. Do in small chunks. Don't rush, okay? Don't just play crazy fast just because that's how you remembered playing it when you played your recorder. Make sure you take your time and use a metronome. When you pass this off on Flipgrid, if I don't hear a metronome, probably is not gonna pass. So make sure you use a metronome. All right, guys, let's play one more time. One more time. 1 and 2 and ready. Have fun.